Welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quest for Tech. Before we get started, we just want to let you know we're still running our contests. If you want to win a $20 Best Buy gift card, all you got to do is be a subscriber, and as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll pick a bunch of random winners and get you that $20 Best Buy gift card. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. S21 is finally here. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the S21 Ultra and compare it with the S21 and a couple other Samsung phones that have come out within the past few months. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Right off the bat, you'll notice that Samsung has followed some other companies and made a smaller box, much smaller. And we'll find out why. S21 Ultra 5G, and this is the T-Mobile variant for anyone that is interested. Get out of there. So right off the bat, right at the top, you got the S21 Ultra. I went with the Phantom Silver. Let's put that aside. So right in the box, all that we have. Oh, they put everything all in one thing now. So there's nothing left in here. This year, Samsung decided to ditch the charging brick and you only get USB Type-C cables. So hopefully you have a USB Type-C charging brick, otherwise you'll have to buy one or plug it directly into like a laptop or any device that takes USB Type-C. The only other stuff in here is your SIM card, little start guide, and your usual books and stuff. Other than your usual start guide and books and whatnot, you just get the phone and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. It's definitely a shame to see that Samsung decided to go the Apple route and not include the charger anymore. I mean, for $1,199, you should definitely get the charger. The S21 Ultra does give you up to 25 watt fast charging, but you need to have one of these super fast charging adapters. Now I got this from last year's Note. It's a 15 watt super fast charging plug, and I'm going to use this with my S21 Ultra. But if I didn't have this, I'd have to pay extra money to get that fast charging. So that's not a great thing. So hopefully you all have extra chargers. Otherwise, just let it be known, this is all you get in the box. And you'll need to find a USB-C to plug it into, or buy a USB-C charging plug to plug it into your wall. So on the S21 Ultra, you're getting a 6.8 inch Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display. So for the body of the phone, you're getting an aluminum mid-frame and Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and on the back. So that's the strongest Gorilla Glass you can get. You see these huge cameras on the back now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. On the top, you got the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. This one in the middle is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera. And then at the bottom and up in the middle to the right are both 10 megapixel telephoto cameras. And right here is for your laser autofocus. So one thing I will say is this is definitely a fingerprint magnet for the silver. So I had to put on some gloves just so I was not getting my lotiony fingers all over here for the video. So that's why I have on these super designer blue gloves right here. So let's go ahead and compare it to the S21. All right, so this is the S21 available right now. You'll notice in size on the right, obviously, the S21 Ultra is 6.8 and the S21 is 6.2. So just look at how much larger. So look at how much larger the S21 Ultra is versus the regular S21. So you can see how much bigger that 6.8 inch screen is versus the 6.2. Now the S21 does have this cool phantom violet color with like the brownish, like bronzes trim. So that looks cool too. But one of the things you lose is the extra 10 megapixel ultra wide camera. And then also, if you can see, look how much larger the cameras are on the S21 Ultra versus the S21. Definitely have to do a bunch of camera tests and see how big of a difference that makes. But I mean, these lenses are huge. So that's the S21 and the S21 Ultra. So this just came out last September. This is the Note 20. So you can see how much bigger the S21 Ultra is over the Note 20, the regular Note 20. And then on the back again, just look at those cameras. Look at the difference in size in those cameras. Holding them, you definitely can tell that, you know, the Note 20 is a little bit easier to grip and this is a little bit wider. And it's crazy because Samsung included the S Pen and the Note 20, but not on the S21 Ultra, even though you can use an S Pen on the S21 Ultra this year. So now let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Galaxy FE. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition from really just a few months ago. October. From the past October. Galaxy FE on the left, S21 Ultra on the right. Look how much larger that looks. Quite clear that the camera bump is it's really doubling in size every time Samsung releases a new phone for the year. So I mean, I don't know, maybe by 2022 we'll have half the back of the phone covered in camera. So, but if they work good, it'll probably be worth it. All right, so that's the S21. So that's the S20 Fan Edition. And one more we'll compare it to will be the ZFold2, also from last year. Now, of course, for the ZFold2 to fold in half, Samsung did not make this wider display. Instead, they went with the thinner display for it to be holdable and then easier to fold. So it's definitely not as wide, also not as tall either. And here's to the side. The ZFold2 is definitely thicker, obviously, because it's two screens. And for the sake of argument, let's go ahead and flip it open. Woo, look at those fingerprints. Let's wipe that off a little bit. There we go. The ZFold2 is a 7-inch wide angle Infinitio, I believe. You can see those two displays together. All right, so we will get to charging this 5,000 milliamp battery, get it set up, take about a day to check it out and start reviewing it, and then we will come right back at you with our full review on it. Initial impressions are nice screen for sure, nice premium feel. Not sure how much bigger some of the cases will make it. This is just a cheap case or whatever, but when you put this one on, not too much. So when you're picking out your case, you definitely want to make sure, I mean, if you don't want your phone that much bigger, try to get a thinner case if possible so you can still grip it okay. Can't wait to check it out and let you all know what we think. Do us a favor and let us know in the comments if you're thinking of picking up an S21, S21 Ultra, or S21 Plus. And don't forget, we're still doing our giveaway for your shot at winning a $20 Best Buy gift card. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe to the channel. And as soon as we hit 1,000, we will pick a bunch of random winners and we'll get you that $20 Best Buy gift card. Thanks for questing with us, everybody. We really appreciate you watching the video. Have a great rest of the day. Take care, stay safe, and never stop questing. Peace.